How to fix compatibility error 0x80d02002 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix compatibility error 0x80d02002 on Windows 10. 1. Check for corrupted system files. 2. Remove old apps and third-party antivirus using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 3. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or uninstall the driver. 4. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 5. Reset Windows Update components. 6. Check the regional and language settings. 7. Clear Windows Update cache at c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution / on Windows Safe Mode. 8. Run System File Checker Utility, sfc/scano, admin mode. 9. Run Microsoft's Online Windows Update Troubleshooter.